Hi, girls and boys. Reggie Roo here. What is a truck? That is really big, has flashing lights, makes loud noises, and is maybe just a little bit smelly. It's a garbage truck. And here comes one now. But what does a garbage truck do? That's right! The garbage truck is collecting trash to take to the dump. It automatically loads the garbage into the back of the truck. From the side, or from the back. The compactor goes down and squashes the trash deep into the truck. Impressive. Once at the dump, the tailgate lifts, and the compressor pushes the trash out. Wow! That's a big pile of trash. Remember to recycle. That way, there'll be less trash next time. Hooroo! Feel free to comment below. What would you like to see next? And don't forget to subscribe.